Hi, my name's Kat McDowell, and I'm a singer-songwriter and origami teacher here on YouTube. I post music-related videos, origami videos, and the occasional vlog, so if you'd like to see more videos from me, make sure that you hit subscribe, hit that bell button, and you'll get more. Let's get folding! Okay, today I'm gonna show you how to make a boat. Meow. This is the 2D boat. It won't float, but I will have another tutorial of a 3D boat that will float soon. Suspended in the air, waiting for someone to say, come back down. Meow. When words cannot make it okay, I wanna hold you in my arms. You can cry if you want. Meow. I will not pretend to know the way you feel. Take all the time you need. You don't have to do or say anything. I'll just sit here with you. Anata no tonari de hagemasu kotoba o egao de sagashite miru. Meow. 今できることは歌い続けながら心を重ねる。立ち止まる時間の中、息をして日が昇る空に月が消えてゆく。You're not alone. I will be here catching your tears. You're not alone. No, no, you're not alone. You're not alone. I will be here catching your. And here is your easy peasy origami boat. No. I hope you enjoyed today's origami lesson. Remember to subscribe if you like these videos, and please tag me in your photos if you ever post them. I'd love to see them. I also make origami live on Twitch, so come and hang with me over there. I'd love to see you. If you want to hear more of my songs, there's a playlist here. If you want more origami tutorials, there's some right here. And lastly, I want to thank my Patreon supporters. Their generosity allows me to do what I do here on YouTube. So thank you. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you again next week. Bye!